This time check is brought to you by MX3. Dito ako bilib. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
For the Lord takes delight in His people. He crowns the humble with victory. I am Venus Ra, a beauty queen, youth advocate, and a servant of God. And I use my voice now to spread the word of God. Of course, with the help of MX3 capsule, with proper diet and exercise. Tunay, natural, at original. Parang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa atin. Kaya sa MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tunay, natural, at original.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold, makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong, kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline no vitamin C.
Ako si Eric. Dati ang hina ng katawan ko. Maambunan lang ng konti, nagkakatrangkaso na agad ako. Pero after ko mag-take ng Santon Vitamin C regularly, malakas na ang katawan ko.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline no vitamin C. Mabili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Gold.
Ako si Morito na namamaga ang aking atay. Sa loob ng 2 linggo na paggamit ko ng Santon Plus Gold, nawala ang pamamaga sa aking atay. Maraming salamat sa Santon Plus Gold.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
White Rose Papaya. May papaya. Power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix.
Si Ronald Puto ng Santiago City. May bago akong nadiskubre na pangmalakasan na kape. Santon Gold Coffee Mix na mataas sa antioxidant. May collagen at glutathione pa.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Nagkape ka na, lalakas, gaganda ka pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Madali na ba mag-cash in sa Bingo Plus? Official partner na namin ng Bayad Center. E-license ba yan ng PAGCOR? Kaya responsible gaming lagi and fun gaming na may insurance. So feel first, insured ang wallet mo ng 1 billion pesos. Safe nga! E talaga naman fast sa Bingo Plus.
Tandaan, gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Visit responsiblegaming@pagcor.ph.
Bingo Plus! Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo! Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop!
Ganyan ang Pinoy. Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
BM Extraordinary with MX3. DCXL 555.